My name is Lizzie, I'm 23 years old. I study history and language and communication and I live in Amsterdam. I've always suffered from problems with my skin. Some parts are dry, some parts get greasy. I've tried a lot of products, but nothing really worked. Well, a friend told me about Pure Natural Cosmetics. It's a new brand and it only uses natural ingredients. And I started trying it for my skin, especially the day cream, and I really like it. Well, as soon as I started using it, I can really sense that my skin's getting softer and it feels really good, and I don't get a lot of problems like I used to anymore, and my skin's really calmed down now. Well, it lasted longer. I feel like it's working all day instead of just a couple of hours afterwards. Normally my skin gets greasy, and with this product I don't get that sensation, and I feel like my skin's glowing a bit more. And it's easier to use makeup as well because it's a really good base for your face. It's really good for your skin. It gives your skin a really nice glow, and I like the fact that it's all natural as well, so it's good for the environment. You know that it's not animal tested. I've been using it for 6 months now and don't want to use anything else.